Are you tired of having to put on a mask every time you need to go in and use the bathroom in your RV because of that stinky black tank smell?
Come on, Mom, I have to go to the bathroom! No! Move!
I hear a lot of times from a lot of people that they have that black tank smell in their bathroom. We have found a solution thanks to TR Bolin, another YouTube channel, brought this to our attention, and we have been using it for the past 5 months now, and it is going great. I can take a big breath in here and I don't get that yucky smell like you're in a traditional RV bathroom, especially with this being such tight quarters in this office. Now, here comes what you're going to do. Pay close attention, grab your notebook and piece of paper and pencil and write this down. What you're going to do is go to any store, department store, and you're going to get yourself some 20 Mule Team borax. That's right, simple borax. That's all you're going to need. So what you're going to do with this is after you dump your black tank, you're going to use a half a cup of your borax, and you're going to dump it down your toilet, and you're going to put about a gallon of water down there. What that's going to do is help deodorize it. It's also going to help break down any kind of fats that are built up on the black tank walls, and it's going to give you a cleaner tank. In return, giving you no smell coming out of your tank when you flush your toilet. Now, we travel about every 3 weeks. So what I also do is I add one more thing to my collection. And once again, been in the instructions that TR Bolin gave me, we use the half a cup of borax. And what I also do is I add a half a cup of Blue Dawn dish detergent. Now, there's all kind of other different brands you can get from all the other different stores, but it was strongly recommended to stick with the Blue Dawn dish detergent. Now, we are not endorsed by Dawn or Borax. I'm just handing on information to you to help you keep your bathroom nice and clean smelling. So what I do is I put a half a cup of the Borax and a half a cup of the Dawn, and I combine that with a gallon of water. Then when you're driving down the road and your rig is going left to right, up and down on the bumps, it's going to help slosh all that gallon of water with the soap and the borax around, and actually help fight against the natural fats that are added into your black tank through your disposal, and it sticks to the walls. So this will help fight that. That's where you actually get that smell and that odor from. Okay, so normally what I do is I'll make it where I'm filling the bowl up with water, and I'm just going to pour that half a gallon in, or pour that half a cup in, let it fill up a little bit more, and then flush it like so. And then I'll fill it up and do it one more time just to make sure all the borax is out of the bowl. Fill it up and flush it down the drain. And then you can also add in your Blue Dawn dish detergent. Okay, here goes the Blue Dawn dish soap down in there. Just like that, you're ready to go. Then when you're ready to drain your tank, you just do the process all over again by putting your half a cup of borax in, and you're good to go. You don't have to ever buy those chemicals again from Walmart or Camping World or any of the places where you go buy your chemicals in those little pods. This is a lot better way, and it's a lot cheaper. $6 versus to $10 to $11 to $12 for those little tablets that don't get rid of the smell.
Thanks, Borax guy!
So I'm going to put in the description down below the ingredients that I use, and you can find them in any local store. You're just going to get yourself, make sure you get the 20 Mule Team Borax, and then the blue Dawn dish soap, and you will have a great smelling bathroom. Now, if you will excuse me. What are we gonna do with them?
Well, we don't need these stinky masks anymore.
In the trash. So what I do is to put half a gallon or half a cup of Dawn dish. So what I do.
Okay, since Borax guy fixed this, I guess I won't need this to explain this. But you will pick up this weird borax that you have behind your toilet, and then you just pour it in without the lid being open.